An artist's name is not just a name, it is more than that. The way we dress, the way we write, the way we talk, and the way we carry ourselves is interpreted through our name. And in the past couple of years, I've gone by different names. I even went by my full government name, but all that changes now. The goal: find the perfect name that describes me. Simple, one word syllable, in depth. Inspiration: Goksat, Joshat, Kawshako, Invision. Yeah, you get the gist. Combination of different artists in different fields that inspire me and create my artist persona. Combining all this together, I figured it won't be hard to find the perfect name, but I was wrong. Scribbling, researching, coughing, frustration, coughing again. I know what I'm going to be.